Here I have a FLUKE 289 multimeter. When I measuring this PWM frequency and duty cycle, I found the value is not correct. So I try to find out what's the reason. And I looked at a YouTube channel. I didn't find any video about this topic. So I have a investigation here. Now I have this arbitrary function generator. I set this PWM wave to 20 kilohertz, and then the duty cycle to 70%, and the maximum value of the voltage is 5. Here actually this is the middle. So I use this oscilloscope to measure it, so you can see the value is exactly 70% duty cycle, and frequency is 20 kilohertz. And the peak-to-peak voltage is 5.36 watt. So now let's see, when I connect the signal into FLUKE 289, let's see what will happen. Firstly, I have to switch this to the voltage DC, and then press this menu. Here select this hertz, percentage, and milliseconds. Okay, I press this F2. Now I can connect this signal to the multimeter. When the signal source is connected to FLUKE 289, then the reading is clear, is 7.46%, but it's not 70%. So what's the reason? And I found that the reason is because of the range. You can see here is auto range, and this maximum value is 5 watt. If I press range to manual range, then this 5, then press again to 50 watt, and then it becomes 69.6. It's almost 70. And then if you press again, the range to 500 watt, but here it's out of range and no reading. Again, 1000 watt doesn't work, so the range should select to a proper way, not too high, not too small. So now if I adjust this duty cycle, if I reduce to 60% here, 59%, yeah, a little bit error, but it is correct. Here to 40, this is 39.6. So if I adjust the higher, 88, 87.4. So now that's the reason, because of the range setting. Finally, I will show this to you, and you can share this knowledge. That's why this PWM parameters measuring is related to this range for DC. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.